In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to your Squarespace website. Easy tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a calendar on your site, position it where it belongs, and save your changes with confidence. Start in your Squarespace editor and open the page where you want the calendar to live. Click directly into the section where you want it added so the inline editing tools appear. This makes sure you're working in the correct area of the page and not in a header or footer. Next, click Add Block. The block menu will open with a list of content types. Find and click Calendar. Squarespace will prepare a calendar block and show you possible drop zones. If the editor highlights a specific area where the block can go, click that highlighted spot to place it precisely where you want it. This avoids accidentally dropping the calendar into the wrong column or stack. If you realize the calendar is better suited to another page, use your site navigation to switch pages. For example, click into your shop page to open it in the editor, and click it again if you need to focus a particular section on that page. If you change your mind and want the calendar in your blog area instead, select the blog page. Moving between these pages simply positions your cursor where you plan to add or keep the calendar, and it helps you confirm the context is right before you save. When you return to the editor, you may see another highlighted drop zone. Click the highlight to confirm the placement, and if you're prompted again, click the highlighted area once more. Some templates ask you to confirm placement multiple times when switching between sections or columns, and this ensures the layout is exactly as intended. In some cases, you'll be asked to confirm the content type again. If you see that prompt, choose Calendar to proceed so the block is correctly inserted. Once everything looks good, click Save. That publishes your changes to the live site. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you're editing the main content area of the page so the block displays site-wide the way you expect. If the calendar appears too large or small, adjust its placement by dragging it to a different column or section with more or less space. Preview your page on mobile and desktop to confirm readability, and consider a section background that gives your dates and event titles clear contrast. Finally, save frequently to avoid losing changes. That's it. Your calendar is now added and ready for your audience.